just check my bank account and I'm good. I'm flexing, yeah, cause my singles going off in my hood. I'm flexing, yeah, everywhere I go, you know it's all love. I'm flexing.
Yo, what's good, Crazy Nation? It's your boy Espy of the Crazy. You know what it is. I'm back again with another reaction. This is to Bad Villain Hurricane music video. Let's get it. Let's go. I can see what they already did. They mastered it. They mastered the beat way better. So what we saw was like kind of like a draft, because they fixed the beat. The beat wasn't this clean earlier. Yeah. So the teasers were an unfinished song. Pretty much, it might have just been like you said, a teaser. You know, like, oh, maybe this song's never gonna be released, but maybe by popular demand, it got released. Because that happens sometimes. Sometimes people just tease music, and then it's like, oh, and then it drops, and it's like, oh, you know? This is cold. I like the beat. The beat. Hey. Yeah. 말보단 행동 샵하게 매고 I take off 내 팬의 애교쟁이 rappers 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo Crown taker coming out the underground savior 그들리가 너와 나의 정체성 I like how she said the crown taker 샵하게 매고 I take off 내 팬의 애교쟁이 rappers Wannabe rappers flee wiping out cringe with my echo 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo Crown taker coming out the underground savior That's cold. That's such a cold line. That crown taker, Kamina, the underground savior. Ugh. That's cold. I like that. That's Chloe A. Ooh. I like Chloe's personality. I like how she does that. Eyes blazing like Sauron. They already lost before the fight. Ooh, that's cold. That's a bar. That's cold. That's cold. My flag wave like ocean. My plans 전망이 sunshine. My backup쟁이 녀석들은 못 올라와 우리 상상. I'm crazier than crazy one. You know that I'm different like alien. 무대는 나타나면 난리여서 I'm crazier than crazy one. You know that I'm different like alien. 무대는 나타나면 난리여서 적당히 나다운 게 내일이. Damn, Inna? Damn. One, you know that I'm deep I like the difference of their flows. Their flows are so different to each other. I like that. I'm crazier than crazy one. You know that I'm different like alien. 무대는 나타나면 난리여서 적당히 나다운 게 내일이야. Talking on the beat is who you are. 닿기 전에 귀에 추월하지 like 버티기는 머리잖아. Talking on the beat is who you are. 닿기 전에 귀에 추월하지 like 버티기는 머리잖아. Mic up and I'm 다리지는 drop. I'm the screen, I'm the scene, I'm the screaming. 다른 느낌, I got a feeling. Damn, Kelly, nice. Scene of the screaming. 다른 느낌, I got a feeling. 내 주위는 초토화돼 African. 내 주위는 초토화돼 African. Wake wing wing 울리는 경보비 bills on fire. Okay, you it? Put the name on everywhere. Tell him it's harder not to see us notorious. I like how Vin and
Hue have like, it's rapping, but they have like a melodic rap. Do you hear that, Majo? They have a melodic way of rapping. It's both of them. It's Hue and Vin. They both have like a melodic way of rapping, and it works. Vin I see is listed as a vocalist only. She raps now. Yeah, exactly. I think this was just them showing that all of them can rap. And by the way, I already know people are gonna be complaining about me pausing this video. Honestly, I don't really give a fuck. I want to catch everything because I'm that type of reactor. If you don't like it, don't watch the video. They're using autotune well as well on like the end of their notes and stuff like that. Rap reactions need pausing even more than vocal ones. Yeah, exactly. Try to match my score. Watch your face change your eyes. They are so shy. Ooh, the way Emma switched that.
My team go big, you tiny. We spinning and spinning on what? Now my location, we sliding. Who's gonna make it stop, boy, try me. From the bottom to the top, drip lightning. I'm on the ride, it's kind of go on an alley. Don't wanna
damn, you know?
Make it big, you tiny. We spinning and spinning on what? Now my location, we sliding. Who's gonna make it stop, boy, try me. From the bottom to the top, drip lightning. I'm on the ride, it's kind of go on an alley. Don't wanna nigga to the wild, you know, winning is my only finale. Little daddy, daddy. Go to shitty, it's not another one, the body gonna don't finale. Now winning is my.
Is that Chloe?
From the bottom to the top, drip lightning. Hop on the ride, it's kind of go on an alley. Don't want a nigga to the wild, you know, winning is my only finale. Little daddy, daddy.
Yeah, it is Chloe. Damn.
Hop on the ride, it's kind of go on an alley. Don't want a nigga to the wild, you know, winning is my only finale. Little daddy, daddy. Go to shitty, it's not another one, the body gonna don't finale. Little daddy, daddy.
Dorothy hanging from my coat edge. Send her off to Wonderland. I swing even stronger. That's old.
We'll keep you coming back to ask for more. They wanna know.
Hue's vocals are crazy. So Hue's like a solid rapper and great vocally as well. That's a great bridge.
Nobody did it like we do before. We'll keep you coming back to ask for more. They wanna know how we've been running up the game for sure. On the screen, on the scene, all the screaming. Said it again, I got a feeling.
Wow. And yet there's people that say autotune doesn't work in K-pop. Autotune works in K-pop when you use it right. When you use it right, it works. And they're using it right. It's never... The best way of using autotune is not using it too much. Finding a way to use it with like a melodic value, it's like a chef's kiss. And you can't tell me that doesn't sound good with the autotune there. I like it. This group's cold. This group's cold. I really like what they're doing. What do you think, Majo? I feel like I don't have enough yet to have an opinion on this group. I need more. I don't know. I feel like I need more. But it's very promising. I'm even more hyped for them. Yeah, waiting for more. Yeah, like it's very promising. But I'm curious what other type of genres are they going to go for? Or are they just going to be very rap heavy? Because even with Bad Villain, it's very rap heavy as well. So far from what I've heard, I'm pretty sure all of the songs are very rap heavy, which is interesting. But they have those vocals that work for like even just nice vocals in general. But anyway, let me go back. I wanna read some of the lyrics, because some of the lyrics I did not catch at all. This one I'm gonna be focusing more on the lyrics.
Hey, yeah. 말보단 행동, jetpack을 메고 I take off. 내 팬의 애교쟁을.
That's a cold bar. That's a cold bar. Strap.
Yeah. 말보단 행동.
Strap on the jetpack and I take off.
jetpack을 메고 I take off. 내 팬의 애교쟁을 rappers. 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo. Crown taker, coming out the underground savior. 거슬리던 너와 나의 정체성.
Ain't no chance we're the same. Got you in our sights. We're going crazy like hurricane. Ooh. I love her demeanor. This is how you're a rapper. If you have this type of, look at this smile, like, you know? Look at this smile, like that. You know? You gotta show your personality. As a rapper, you gotta be confident and you gotta show your personality. When you show your personality, your confidence, your smile, you're like, you know, you're flexing on them. That's cold. That's a cold bar as well. See on the stage stomping, cold. When I'm on top of this, I've got strings. You think I'm stupid? She's like a she's like a puppet. Ooh, she's like a puppet master. That's cold. I like a is it ventriloquist? Yeah, ventriloquist. No, ventriloquist is just talking, right? Yeah, okay. When ooh, I got trust on my bro. It's gonna get hurt if you jump in. Better just give up. That's such a cold line. I love that line. My flag's waving like ocean. My plans looking like sunshine. I'm
crazier than crazy one. You know that I'm different like alien. A mood and a not to
That's a crazy voice. That's a crazy voice. When I show chaos follows. Keeping it steady. That's how I roll. Ooh. Talking on the BS who you are before you touch down, overtaking your sound like ooh.
I'm the screen, I'm the scene, I'm the screaming. 다른 느낌, 다른 느낌, I got a feeling.
I love the autotune there. That's cold. Wakey, wakey. Ooh. Wakey, wakey. Alarms ringing loud. BB's on fire. Yeah. Was that meant to be Oppenheimer? I was going to say that. It's meant to be Oppenheimer, right? Okay, I thought so. Because when I was reading, I'm like, how does that make sense? When I read that, I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. I'm going, is it Oppenheimer? It has to be, right? I'm like, who's Oppenheimer? I assume they're saying Oppenheimer because that makes so much more sense than Oppenheimer. That's still my favorite part. Put the name on everywhere. Tell them it's harder not to see us. Notorious. That's a cold bar. Hey baddie, which way do you want to go? Red carpet's a default where my feet touch down. I think that's meant to say when. No, where makes sense, but I reckon it'll be cold if it's red carpets. Red carpet's a default when my feet touch down. So it means no matter, it doesn't even, because it still count. It would still work. That bar would work either way. But when, to me, makes more sense. Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Red carpet's a default when my feet touch down. So that's still, it still means the same thing as well. Because it means no matter when her feet touch, no matter where, like whenever her feet touches the ground, there's a red carpet. That's, yeah. But anyway, it's still cold. I like it.
Which way you wanna go? Got best default body tangos.
I love that. Walking like a queen, expressions all dry. Step by. Ah, dude.
I stop when we move to the next one. Taking over the sound, taking over the world. 떨어져 봐, let's go. 바뀌는 너의 표정, 아무리 눈을 놔. 그거는 선을 넘어, 얘만 leaving 너의
Crossing the line. My thing is, who are they talking to? This is aimed at someone. This sounds like a diss track. And I know a lot of people are going to be like, oh, you're just over. It sounds like a diss track. It sounds like they're talking to someone. Like, listen to that line. Y'all getting swept, Dusty. My team's going big, you tiny. And we're talking about a hip-hop. This is technically a hip-hop group, not a K-pop group. I'm just saying, they're flexing to someone. Or are they flexing to us, the listeners? This is the bar where I thought it sounded like a diss track. We spinning on what? This is a gangster line. That's a gangster rap line. When you listen to gangster, like gangster drill, that's a gangster rap line. We spinning on what? Too many locations we slide in. That's like a diss track line where it's like, you spun on who? On us? You're not spinning on us. You're not spinning the block. You know what I mean? It's just funny. There's some bars where I'm just like, it makes me question. I'm like, who are they talking to? But yeah.
We're sliding. Who's gonna make it stop? Boy, try me. From the bottom to the top, drip lightning.
Groups have it so hard when they debut, so coming in boasting like this is the best way to mark the territory. But do you know what I mean? Like, it sounds like they're talking to their ops. That's what it sounds like. And a lot of people are gonna be like, oh, you're overlooking it. I am a rap reactor. I listen to drill, I listen to all of that stuff. And these type of bars is like that type of rapping. I'm just saying. Such a cold flow. I like this part. It's a breath of fresh air. What this brings to the song is so nice.
Coming back to ask for more. They wanna know how we've been running up the game for sure. On the screen, on the scene, on the screaming. 다른 느낌, I got a feeling. 내 주위는 저토와 they 내 주위는 저토와 they
Next music video that they be talking about Shakespeare. Like I said, I enjoy it. And I know a lot of people are gonna be like, oh, you're starting up shit. I'm just saying there's certain lines that don't sound right. I would love to see a recording behind for this. And I've heard there is a recording behind for this song. So I might have to check it out because I like what they're doing though. Like I said, I like what they're doing. They're cold. To me, BADVILLAIN's really cold. Like I can see, my thing is I can already see the vision and I can see what type of market they're targeting. And it's very clever. It's very, very clever because I can't say there's no one doing this, but I wouldn't say it's the people that everyone's comparing them to. That like, I feel like this is big. I feel like K-pop likes to go down the hip hop route. See, this is the thing about this group. Are they a K-pop group or are they a K-hip hop group? Or are they both? That's the thing that spins me out about this group. I can't tell what they are. I can't tell if they're a K-pop group or if they're doing K-hip, or if they're just doing K-hip hop in K-pop. That's why I'm saying I don't know enough about this group to understand. And that's why I need to listen to more. I need to listen to more. I need to listen to other songs of theirs to see what's the difference of what they're trying to do. You know? But yeah, I like what they're doing. I really enjoy what they're doing. It's refreshing. I always like this stuff. So yeah, man, I'm excited. I'll say K-pop inspired by K-hip hop. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, that's where I'm kind of questioning which is, like, what is it? Is it K-pop or is it K-hip hop? But I'm excited. I'm excited to listen to more of this group and understand, like I said, understand more of their music. But yeah, that's all I got to say. So if you like this, give this a thumbs up. None of that. Comment if you want to see more. Subscribe, and remember, keep living a crazy life and stay blessed. Peace. Laters. Ow.